Hey guys, welcome back to Bianca Adventure Vlogs. And today we have to buy so many cakes and other like chips and stuff for Bianca's birthday. Cause look, it's so late outside. It's almost 7. All the kids will come at 7, so we had to go fast to go. Alright, come on, let's go. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go into the cakery shop and get all of the stuff. And today we're gonna take our new car. We're gonna take our new car. Look at the new car. It's so big. We actually got this car like, I don't know, like 1 or 2 weeks ago. And it's so big. Look at this. Wow. If you guys don't know, this car is a Mahindra car. And this is the XUV700 luxury top model of it. It's the Ebony edition actually. Yeah, it's the Ebony edition. And right now we're gonna go to the cakery shop with this car. Alright, let's see it. Just look how huge it is. Like, this is a monster truck. It's not a car, it's a monster truck actually. Yeah, maybe it's a monster truck. Wow, it's so big. Alright, I'm gonna go inside the car and I'll see you guys in the car. Bye. Alright guys, so right now we are in our new car. And as you can see, this plastic is still on it since we didn't remove it yet. And if you guys can see, you can see that the dashboard is here. And this dashboard, like, it can show a lot of things. It's just like a normal dashboard, but with other stuff. You can also link your phone with it and have other like apps on and stuff. And as you can see, it's like here. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, radio, right? Yeah, so and here you can also see this is a dash cam that we installed. And here you can see like the different type of the camera. There's like 3 types of cameras: a front camera, rear camera, and I think like a split screen camera. So if you just say it, so I'll say show front camera. See, it showed the front camera. Now show rear camera. It showed the rear camera. And if you slide it, I think to the left, you'll get a split screen, I think. Yeah, you can see split screen. You'll see both cameras at once. And here you can also, there's also some lights here. And if you turn this on, you can turn it off. I can turn this off too. Nice. I'll turn this back on since I need some light. Let's do that. There's also a freezer in here. How do we open this again? I forgot how to open it. Oh yeah, there you go. Wait. Oh, there you go. As you can see, there's like a whole freezer in here that you can keep some like ice cream maybe here, and it'll still not melt. It has its own freezer, and it's really cool. And here is the keys. These are the keys of the car. They look really nice, see? And there's also like a hidden physical key in here. Yeah, see? That's nice. We'll just put that back in. Let's put this back where it was. And you guys can also see the gear. The gear is different than other cars. It actually just goes straight and has a few more, like reverse, park, and automatic. Yeah, like this whole car is actually automatic actually. And you can also see here, like this is a screen which shows how many miles you can go. It's not a physical screen. So everything's here like just an automatic like screen thing, like a computer car maybe. Yeah, and that's nice. Alright, what else is there actually? Let's see what else. What other things can we see over here? This is the window. Nice. Actually, it might be too windy. Oh, I just forgot. There's also a sunroof in this car. So let's just, I think you have to, there's a back. Look. There's also a sunroof in this car. And you can literally peek out of the sunroof. Like you can put your head out. Should I open it? Should I?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What? First you can. Okay. As you can see, look how you can see up into the sky. You can see airplanes up here if you want to. If you're on a road trip, you can just lay down and sleep like this. It's gonna be so nice. Let's open the sunroof itself. Wow. And you can put your hand out. And I'm gonna take you guys up right now, and you guys can see how it is. Alright, I'm gonna cross this bump. Alright, now let's get up. Now turn. Alright guys, so right now we just reached the cakery shop, and as you can see, this is the cakery shop that we're going to. And yo, what is this? Hold on, let me. Hi, hello. Yeah, Gabby. What is this? Oh, he's holding a burger. Can I have the burger? Give me. Aw. He won't give me the burger, which is not nice. Hey, he's not a good guy. Why did he not give me the burger? And as you can see, this is a cakery shop. Let's go buy the cake. Okay guys, so now we just got the cake, and as you can see, we have the cake right here. And now we are going to get the food, since we ordered the food from the restaurant. And yeah, well, I'll just see you guys there when we get the food. We have a lot of food because there's like, I don't know, like 15, 12 kids coming to Bianca's birthday party, that's why. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so right now I'm just waiting for the food to come in. So right now we're just here. You guys can see. Who's this? Ah! Oh my god, it's a dinosaur! No, my name is Joseph. I am a good dinosaur. Oh, okay. Oh look, I just got a new friend now. Yay! Ah! Hey! Stop! Stop, okay? Stop! Okay? Okay. Good. I can't wait for the food, because I only came here for food. Okay? I only came in here. How did you get here anyways? Oh, well, I went inside your pocket and I snuck inside. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Okay. Yay! I'll go now. Whee! Wait. Alexa, play some English songs.
Here's a station for English music, Pop Culture Radio, on Amazon Music.
I think I'll play right now a bit. I think we gotta wait. Oh yeah! Okay, you guys can hear the music? Yeah! Hey guys, अगर आपको vlog अच्छा लगा तो do like, subscribe and share, and wait for new videos of our new car, the XUV700 Ebony edition. Till then, take care. Bye.